Pila
Ah,
ka bookings ta ato kuan ang revenue.
like in one, kuan siguro, in a week, makakuan gud mi ato. Every day na, ajud mi booking ato. And then na adlaw na wala. But in a week, wala dyan may zero. Kung nakaabot mi sa, kuan, 60 ang week, mati ito.
Oh, okay.
Ah, uh Yeah, yeah. Mm-mm.
So
60
for
to 70 ang week. Na ato
mm,
yung sa ka day na 80, naka 80 mi.
oh,
In one
okay.
day. Uh-uh.
So muna siya. This is how I assisted a holistic skin doctor in strategizing her Instagram page to effectively attract and convert her ideal clients. My name is Shalu, and I help acne specialists and health and wellness coaches attract and convert their followers on Instagram. This is one of my clients. Let's just call her Dr. AD. She's a holistic skin doctor who owns a wellness clinic in New Hampshire. During our initial Zoom conversation, she expressed her frustration with spending hours, countless hours, on Instagram creating content for her business page, only to be disheartened by the results. So, driven by a strong desire to learn about the right strategies, she allowed me to make her Instagram business page a magnet for ideal clients. Here are only 3 of the steps that I did to assist her. Number 1 is I helped her create an ideal client persona, enabling us to pinpoint the unique needs of her audience and to tailor content that this audience would find valuable. Number 2 is I helped her create and define the stages of the ideal client journey, which involves attracting clients all the way up to having clients who keep coming back. Number 3 is I conducted a thorough audit of her Instagram page and reworked her bio to highlight the unique selling proposition of her business, attracting her ideal clients and engaging or encouraging meaningful engagement. By understanding the unique needs of her target market, outlining the ideal client journey, and optimizing the profile of her Instagram page, we have built a solid foundation for success on the platform. So if you're an acne specialist or a health and wellness coach looking to achieve similar results on Instagram, I'm here to help you too.